Johnston with Abroad Education Specialists. I want to talk to you today about letters of recommendation. Most programs consider letters of recommendation to be an important part of your application. Although your GPA and test scores will weigh more heavily, don't discount the importance of a good letter of recommendation. If you are competing with a candidate who basically has the same test scores and GPA as you, the letters of recommendation can help sway the decision in your favor. For Chinese students, this poses a unique problem since the letter of recommendation is not commonly used in China. Most professors will require the student to draft a letter and then they will review and sign it. This leaves the student to figure out what makes a good letter of recommendation and who you should choose as the recommender. So who should write it? When I interview Chinese students, I find that they often misunderstand who should write their letter of recommendation. Schools prefer that your letters are from professors and employers who have the most intimate knowledge of your study and work habits. They want to hear from someone who has known you for some time and who has had ongoing interaction with you during that time. I often receive questions from Chinese students asking if they should get the head of the program or a high-level manager to write the letter. The answer is yes, but only if the recommender meets these criteria. So what makes a good letter of recommendation? Content. A vague letter of recommendation won't help you. It's not only a sign that the recommender doesn't know you very well, but also implies that you have done nothing to impress him. A good letter of recommendation should evaluate the student on their motivation, capability, and maturity. It should discuss your strengths in an honest way and ideally provide multiple examples. For instance, if a professor wants to show that you have strong leadership capability, he should discuss a time when you were put in charge of a team and led that team to a success or a good grade. Credibility. Admissions officials want to know that the recommender is being honest with them and they want examples to back that up. They know that no one is perfect and that everyone will have some areas of improvement. This is not to say that the recommender should point out your areas of improvement, but know that a recommendation letter that has nothing but glowing examples about how awesome you are will lose some of its credibility. Consistency. Remember, your letter of recommendation is just a part of your total application. It is important that it is consistent with your personal statement, essay questions, and resume. In other words, if you claim that you're a great team player on your resume, your letter of recommendation should also reflect that fact. As you can probably tell, there's no perfect formula for writing a letter of recommendation. What is clear, however, is that they play an important role in the admissions process and you need to pay great attention to making sure your letters are well written and show a true reflection of your passion, personality, and potential. I want to thank you for taking the time to review our video on letters of recommendation. I sincerely hope you find the information helpful to your abroad education pursuits. Please visit our website at abroadeducationspecialists.com for more tips and articles on the application process. We wish you great success and a bright future.